Hello Deutsche Welle team, my name is HUSNAIN SAJID and I am thrilled to be creating this video as part of my application. Today I want to take you on a journey through my experiences and my passion for journalism and why I am perfect fit for the traineeship at Deutsche Welle.
Over the past 5 years, I have had the incredible opportunity to cover significant events in Pakistan, from political rallies to natural disaster. These experiences have not only honed my reporting skills but also fueled my commitment to delivering accurate and impactful news.
Hello. Deutsche Welle's global reach and dedications to journalistic excellence align perfectly with my career aspirations. I believe in the power of storytelling to bridge gaps and foster understanding in our interconnected world.
One of the highlights of my career was covering the CPEC projects with a Chinese delegation. It was a transformative experience that deepened my understanding of
Hi
economic
Deutsche Welle team,
collaborations and global dynamics.
I am looking to be part of a global news organization that values truth, diversity, and the power of storytelling to make positive. Thank you for considering my application. I am eager to bring my skills, passion, and unique perspective to Deutsche Welle. Let's embark on this exciting journey together. I look forward to the opportunity to contribute Deutsche Welle's mission and vision. Vielen Dank.